Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Lab. Today we will solve the problem based time to buy and sell stock. In this question we are given an array named price in which every element represents the cost of stock and we should return the maximum profit in this question. So let's think about the brute force approach of this question. Brute force. We talk about brute force approach. 7 1 5 3 6 4, which represents the price of stock, like it represent day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Let's analyze this problem using create a graph. Let's xy. So it represent day and this represents price. When day is 0, the cost is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, cost is 7. And when day is 1, the cost is 1 and day 2 is 5 and day 3 is 3 and day 4 represent 6 and 5 4. Let's make a graph. Okay, so this represents graph. So how we can calculate maximum profit? We calculate maximum price. As you know the rule of stock, we buy the stock at low cost and sell at high cost, so we get maximum profit. And always remember, we sell the cost always in the front array, not in behind, because we will sell the stock in future, not in the past. Like if we take buy cost, then we sell front, not go to the back. If we take 1, then we go to the front, not go to the back. So it is the minimum and we should go to sell it max here, so we get the maximum profit. Then we can say max profit is equal to, we buy stock at rupees means 1 and we will sell it at 6, then we can tell 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. This is our maximum profit. Then how we can solve it? You can think easily in brute force approach. We use for loop, for nested loop, and the complexity of this code is big of n square. Like first use for loop, I is equal to zero to n represents the array length, and again we use for j is equal to I plus 1 to n, price length, array length. So if price j greater than price I, then and we initialize max profit is equal to 0 initially. So what we can do here, we can update max profit, maximum of max profit and price j minus price I. Okay, so this is our brute force approach, and the time complexity of this code is big O of n square, which is inefficient. So let's talk about the optimization approach. You can take dry run. If we will take 7, then 1 minus 7, we will always sell the stock at high price, so we can get the maximum profit. So in this approach you can make pair, and among them you can return the maximum profit. This is our brute force approach, and the time complexity is big O of n square. Okay, and now let's talk about brute optimization. In optimization, what you can do, first we can declare profit is equal to 0. You can say max profit, and you can initialize a variable also best buy is equal to price is 0. Means at index we consider now every element is our selling. So we run a loop for I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, and condition we should apply if price I is greater than best buy. Means like initially we consider best buy is 7. If our price is I is greater than best buy, then what we can say, max, we update our max profit is equal to maximum of max profit and price I minus best buy. Okay, this is our max profit, and we return, we can also update our best buy. In best buy, what can do, we should take minimum of best buy and we traverse the array prices I. So the minimum between best buy and price we return the best buy, and in last we return max profit. So this is our most optimized approach. And talking about the time complexities, like we use only one loop for I is equal to 1 to n, so obviously the time complexity is big O of n, and also we do not use any extra space, so the space complexity is big O of 1. So let's dry run this approach. Okay, as initially we declare max profit is 0 and best buy is equal to price is 0, and we run for loop for I is equal to 1 to n. So let's consider for I is equal to 1, then price is 1 is equal to 1, and our best buy is currently 7. So 1 does not greater than 7, so we cannot return our max profit. And in also we see best buy. In best buy we take minimum of best buy and price is 1. So minimum of 7 and 1 is equal to 1. Now our best buy is 1. Let's see for I is equal to 2. When we go for I is equal to 2, then price is 2 is equal to 5, and our best buy is equal to 1, and now price is greater than our best buy. So our max profit is equal to, we take maximum of 0 and 5, we do 5 minus 1, so 0 and 4, max profit will be our 4. And now let's see best buy. In best buy, minimum, now best buy is 1 and our price is 2 is equal to 5, So minimum of 1 and 5 is 1. Let's see for I is equal to 3. Then price is 3 is equal to 3 and best buy is equal to 1. So max profit is equal to maximum of 4 and now 3 minus 1, like current price is greater than best buy 2, then our maximum profit is 4, and we take best buy is minimum of 1 and price is equal to 3 right now, so minimum is 1. Now we will take I is equal to 4, then price is 4 is equal to 6 and 6 greater than our best buy 1, so max profit is equal to maximum of 4 and 6 minus 1, so max of 4 we will return max profit is equal to 5, and best buy is we will take minimum of 1 and 6, so minimum of between 1 and 6 is 1. Now we will go for I is equal to 5. Okay, price is 5 is equal to 4, 4 is greater than 1, and max profit is equal to maximum of 5, and we will do 4 minus 1, so max profit is maximum of 4 5 and 3 will be 5. Okay, and so we will return in ultimately max profit is 5. This is our maximum profit, and the time complexity of this code is big O of n. Let's solve the question on LeetCode. First we declare two variable, int max profit is equal to 0, int best buy is equal to prices 0. Now we run the loop for int I is equal to 1, I less than prices dot length. Okay, now we will give condition if prices I greater than best buy, then we update our max profit is equal to math dot max profit price I minus best buy. Okay, and we update our best buy is equal to math dot min best buy prices I, and ultimately what we return max profit. Okay, let's run the code. Oh sorry, I mistake, LENGTH. Now run the code. Okay, you see it passed all the test cases. Let's submit the code. Okay, thanks for watching. If it helpful to you understand, then like, comment and share.